up guys, so welcome to my channel UnlockSource. So today I'm gonna show you how can you view your device information, your iPhone. These are the two method. First method is just go to setting and about this information, and second method is just go back, open your sign in your Apple ID, just click on your Apple ID. So just here's my device, iPhone 6s. Just simply just click on the device button. So guys, here's the my device information, device info, model and version and serial number and IMEI number. So here's the find my iPhone on, here's the iCloud backup. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos.